We in Australia, I don't know this year. Can't blame nobody if I don't step up and get it. My fault if I see opportunity.
Just not try, just not try.
I see him in Babylon, you know.
I got to get this bread.
After what happened to me there, I see him in Babylon. Yeah. So, even though we are praying ourselves that track. Babylon is not track. Babylon fake. We can't keep it that track. How we put people learning about it? We love Babylon still come there and go and provide the thing. It's not the new sound. You got to suffer for all the things you want to provide. Some of the people have to suffer for all the things you want to provide.
Don't give up. This time me a find some new gear. Me a stick
Rastafari around the world.
me a work hard. Once me a blow bread, now get the praise. Me a hold on and see that
Alright, superstar. You look talk too much, you know. Walk on. Tell the fans walk on. You there like place. A man say if you cook a pot of food, walk on. Superstar.
Yeah, so cook a pot of food, man.
Alright. You see it? We soon coming here. What a wicked man for you. And it goes to you. What? Yeah.
Look at the fruit, mango. Look at the mango fruit there.
No, you see last night we take it. I said a beer thing in my yard, you know, hockey tree. But the fact that when you come in, you get well looked after. You don't have to go on the road and get no mango. The whole of the mango that's there. You hear that? See the hockey tree here? And some of them are bust already. Then so on bust. I'll be a worker going in a place, you know. You say wash a woman here. You don't see it. I tell the man them stay.
Oh, that's around, that's up.
Yeah, fire. I just do something for sure.
The coconut tree here. Big coconut tree, you know. It takes years to manifest. You see it? Well, I chop up and drink some coconut jelly and some coconut water, good for your heart. We'll stay so in our place. So what you doing, washing lady? Alright. You see me? Hard working people, you know, Jamaican people, hard working. You don't know. A superstar thing, you see me? Alright, watch me now. Now the real life in our place too. You understand me? All of my brothers in here. You understand me? Put on a little weight and thing. Ease up the cold and thing. Keep watching I and I. Come follow me. See it? All of my brothers in there. Zero stick. Yeah man. All of five, you know? Yeah man. You can't work or no? Start do some work.
See over there, Jamaica over there.
Hold the camera, you hold the camera.
Jamaica with our safe place. Remember, we are African first and foremost, yeah? We don't know rare. We are all blood clot African. Yeah? And we're there in Babylon. I try one the other. Crash with Jamaica. We're there. My version Timmy. Crash with a rat over there.
Timothy Pride. What?
Yeah.
From what?
Yeah, we're there.
Jamaica.
Pick up all the building in England. You don't know. When you can come here, nobody knows. But don't get all the mix up.
We are real.
I'm gonna chat him out. You know, lay with people.
We real. Yeah.
Yeah, don't trouble people. But the brother tell you, don't trouble people and people don't trouble you.
Who are 10 around? Everybody up there. 10 around go up there.
Rush one in time, over there. We're gonna fix all the place for you. We are trying to clear the place so you can't come and build like a beer garden for you. When you come, you can spend some money because some of the things take. You see what I said?
Willy be white, remember the name?
Crash Road, Kingston,
Superstar,
me can come here, I have a vibe, I try to build the thing for you, can spend the thing. Over there, we just run the thing. You see what I say? Yeah, because you know some black people. Yeah, look at my brother there. I hope you try to build the yard. My mother all out. Bless her soul, my mother all out. We are trying to hold the yard and came to the place. Say we can't show me on this one. Say, say, yeah, we don't need anything.
We are dig down the place and fix up the whole of the wall. The contractor here. I do all the work. I don't need camera thing now, man. You take my blood to camera.
Contractor. Big up yourself.
No man, the contractor lick a big store in the head, you know. You don't want that part. I whole heap of Jamaica don't want that part of the camera. Anyway, the whole of the world I go watch I and I. Come in.
See the wall, yeah. See the project, yeah. See the project there. Right, road. See the project there. Just start. See the starting there. Coming right there. Nah, go nah, man. Nah, go nah, man. Behind the wall now, you have a gully.
See the gully, yes, a Joe Gibbs studio in a gully. What look a gully? Show them the gully Joe Gibbs wall, Joe Gibbs studio.
You see you want to bring it closer. You see the front there? Where your finger,
yeah, man, at the gully, yeah,
where
man.
index finger, the little knob, and you move it forward and back. You see this?
On the ball, you turn and you can buy it at Tesco supermarket. Look on the back of it, it says 26 retirement percent. On the ball in a Tesco, I live right beside it. It used to be Joe Gibbs studio. Google it for another thing, because you don't know no like that. Babylon Matrix.
Same, sir.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We are bright
Rata,
people,
where
that's where we come from. You know? The whole of we bright, some of we are con man, some of we
Yes, sir, Rata.
who not take it by turn rare. Some of we are con man, but we're bright.
Have fun, you know, because Willy a full drive himself in the place.
Jamaica with them, man. Oh, come back and Brexit. I don't know one another to one another over there. You see, but you don't know the Babylon thing will last forever, because Babylon are vampire. Them want more and take away your eat for them food and want your food too. You see?
Yeah, man. I hate this man.
And give
Cross
you a
road
blood clot thingy.
retirement Christian to them side of world. You hear that? Yes,
Leighton
sir.
Road it name.
Alright, you hear the general say Leighton Road. You hear that?
Mother.
I don't want to put an age on it. Leave a couple
Way back,
See,
man,
yeah.
over 50 years, man.
So,
See the settings, yeah.
people see a way when I remodel enough.
Business neighborhood, you know?
Fix up the place.
Yeah, man.
Show
See
them the
that?
flowers there. Show them the
Yeah, man.
flowers, aye.
So the front of the yard, you see it? Yes, sir.
When we're done the place, we come like a big hotel.
Yeah, man.
Top player. Real top player. Superstar player. Remember the name? Play flower. Big player. We have the biggest player in our crossroad. We go anywhere.
Everybody have chair in the crossroad. Come out the street, man, because you talk about big player.
Territory, man. Carry and show them, man, and eat all that cherry, man. It's the biggest thing there. Yeah, just pick up fruit, you see it, life.
Yeah, man.
They say it there.
Yeah, come out the street.
I tell you, man, come in. It's a superstar pull gate. Take the road.
I'm sure that guy, I'm next door neighbor. Next door neighbor live there. Original people, Mr. Stanley and them family.
Yeah,
When I used to go, Mr. Stanley and them family. Come over the land. Show them the yard. Number 3. See? Over here, so little lady have a little restaurant. Show them the bird.
The industrial.
Show them the bird, the bird over here.
Yeah, man. Zoom in on the bird.
Come for the bird, show them
man.
bar, my virgin bar, Ricky bar, and all kind of things all over here. So come show them lady restaurant. You come to Jamaica, you can have a food over this lady yard. Right opposite my yard, you can have a food, and she run the thing, all thing proper.
Yeah.
You see?
And yes, we come buy our food from.
Ah, yes, we buy our food there.
Yeah, man.
Over there in Jamaica, yes,
Yeah, man, yes, we buy our food.
Yeah? Over here, so was 1 yard, and I'm turning an apartment. 1 yard.
One man,
My brother used to live there artistic and told me in my belly one time.
Serious. Real life, the man live. Superstar. Yeah. We're not play. What we die in there, we're not play. Yeah, man, we're up there with you, man.
Because the mother be yeah. Here car full up the road now. Over here, so my friend named Miss Francis, she used to have a boarding house. So the people that used to go to university used to come board over there from all over the island. All over West Indies, St. Lucia and them place there. Miss Francis, and my friend named Chester. They caught up in the drugs world now. Let's see him long time. Let's see, come. It's a shit truck from the road, mash up the whole of the street. The shit truck. What I say? Yeah?
Yeah, man. So Miss Francis yard.
Yeah, Miss Francis boarding house.
It's a boarding house. You hear that? That's right there.
Long time back when dinosaurs used to walk the earth. Remember when dinosaurs used to walk the earth?
It's back in the days when dinosaurs used to walk the earth. You hear that?
I'm a virgin Chester.
But it's a dinosaur still, but now watch your face still, a dinosaur. You know? Because all the people weed and smoke and liquor drinking. You know it go?
Come on, bless you. Over here, some white people like Syria and Mackenzie.
Yeah.
Sprinkle upon lawn and them things down way.
Yeah.
Upstairs yard from your little picnic. Look. Them upgraded it, but it was an upstairs house from little picnic.
From day one.
Yeah, you see, show them good, man. Show them over here, son.
Yeah, man, definitely.
It's the area where you see in the background of the thing that's TVJ.
That pole?
Yeah, that's TVJ. Yeah, right behind these houses. If you go over there, if you move the houses, you're looking at the Jamaican TV station. We're living in the middle of the thing.
So for the viewers, see the pole there, look at the corner, the upstairs of the house to the left side.
Yeah, TVJ.
And you see the pole. There you go. Alright.
And the TV where
I remember when we walked on the road and
so this is a tour of Willy D. Willy D tour this. You hear that? Yeah, man. Willy D.
Mr. Brown, it's a Brown back in the day when you used to eat popcorn in the car. It used to be Brown's popcorn. And that man there used to have a man over here, so him was the man who owned Brown's popcorn when he used to in a theater. Brown's popcorn over here, so. Call the line.
So this is this one called the Willy D tour. Okay. Alright.
The thing I get hot. When I tell you the thing I get hot, you can feel it. You don't go down. A long girl, you go back and pop and do it.
Yeah, you're going to have enough material for work, man. You're going to get load of it.
You know, all I'm not going to take me to upload
that one. Fuck, that was a mashup. Look for that mashup also.
Willy D homecoming tour, you hear that?
Duncan, PNP office. In the 70s, DK Duncan, PNP office, a man named Sarana Jet. And he was the man who caretaker. A Sarana, they moved from me about 10. A Sarana grew me. Oh, the ugly Sarana. Over here, so now. You have a man named MP named Mr. Wilson. Oh, before Sarana, you have a woman was sing opera, you know. Because people sing opera back in the day, you know, a woman was sing opera, we used to live her, and then PNP people then buy it out.
Okay.
Yeah?
So, this is the PNP office.
Yeah, we're not joining no club, yeah? We're not Timothy 5, we're not joining club, yeah?
Over here, so, yo. It's over here, so, and one name, Mr. Wilson.
So, over here, so, Mr. Wilson.
Yeah, brother, a part of the community, man.
Yeah, man.
Man, are workers now. Mr. Wilson is still over there. My auntie used to live over here, so too. Mr. Wilson, a MP. All the time MP.
Yeah. See him, sir.
Another upstairs house over where America boy I go, another upstairs house from the road. Them turning a Jews factory. Over 200 people work over there.
Yeah.
Yeah? And that are two more things on the corner to observe, and these things are around there. But we don't have time for that right now in Babylon. Fuck that shit.
Alright, that's it there now. We're not going no further.
Chill and build.
See up there. See up there look like.
Yeah, superstar, we chill it out and build it.
But them 12 things of commercial, I think, I was them.
See up there look like. You see it? Yeah, man. So.
Yo, pause it, look at it. Pause it, look at it.
Well, alright, hold on.
Yeah.